Local news for Wednesday the 15th of November. Wairarapa's favourite chocolate store, Shock Chocolates, has just announced it will produce a Taste of Heaven chocolate bar that captures the flavours of Greytown, and locals are invited to come up with suggestions. Entries for Greytown flavour suggestions can be made by emailing info@shock.co.nz and close on the 30th of November. The winner will, of course, get 10 delicious chocolate tablets to show off their gastronomic creativity. The Big Book Bash is coming, and it's a festival of 25 free activities for kids, teens and adults alike. 30 authors and illustrators of the Wairarapa and Wellington regions are coming to Carterton on the 2nd of December, with the 7-hour festival being leading participants through different aspects of stories and books, creating experiences throughout the day and into the summer's evening. Big Book Bash, Wairarapa and the Wellington Kids and Youth Festival will be held in 4 venues, all on Holloway Street in Carterton: the Library, Event Centre, Plunket Rooms and the Carterton Courthouse. And in sport, the Central Hawke's Bay A&P Shares at Waipukara on Saturday had David Buick from Pongaroa pick up second place behind Roland Smith in the Open Cheering final. Samantha Baxter, also from Pongaroa, picked up a first place in the novice share.